Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find the ignition switch, also known as ignition switch module, fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We need to check multiple relays, fuses as well. And if you need to buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The ignition switch, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee here. By the way, guys, you have hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It's a video people told us saved them a lot of trouble. What we need to do, we need to open the hood. Lucky for us, we'll be working in a fuse box that's easily accessible and most people know about it. Facing the engine, it's on the right side. This is the driver's side. Press the tabs together here, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here is what we need to check specifically. Okay, let's start first with the fuse for the ignition switch, also known as ignition switch module. Coming this way, you need to check fuse number 56. This micro 3-blade fuse. Always keep a replacement one, guys, of those, because those are hard to find. Fuse number 56. Then we need to, guys, locate relay 9 right here. That's ignition switch relay. You need to check, guys, relay 11, which is this one right here. Then we need to check relay 12 and relay 13. Those are the main components that you need to check if you have problems with the ignition switch and you're trying to locate the fuses and the relays. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.